Quick demo.
Excel BI for MS Office collates the documents to PDF file.
You can use Excel BI to integrate the documents from PDF, Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, and images to PDF file.
Let us see how to collate the documents in different formats as PDF file.
In the Welcome tab pane, click on Document Integration button or click on the Collate button in the Excel BI menu ribbon. Click on Browse button and add the required documents irrespective of formats like PDF, Word, Excel, Presentation, and Images. Here you can see the list of documents that you have added.
Let's set the properties for the documents.
Each document has unique properties. For presentation, you can set the slide limit.
Now, click on the page and map the document to a page that you need by clicking on Insert icon and then click on Add Page button to add more page.
The documents can be mapped, that is ordered as per the user's wish.
You can set the properties, then you may insert the document.
It can also be done vice versa.
Like, here let's insert the document to the page and then set the properties.
For image, you can set the size as actual, fit to width, or you can customize the size.
Similarly, you can insert more documents.
For PDF, you can set the margin.
Whereas for Excel, you can select the number of sheets, and for Word, you can set the page limit. Similarly, you can insert more documents.
Once it is done,
finally, click on the Collate button.
File is being generated.
Click on the Open button to view the generated file.
Now, you can see that all the documents irrespective of formats are integrated as PDF file. The output file content remains same as the input file content without any change in the formats like appearance, data, etc.
Here, the images are pixel perfect.
The data are integrated properly without overlapping.
The tables and graphs are aligned appropriately.
This concludes the demo. For more information, visit our gallery.
We hope you enjoyed this demo. For further details, please contact. Learn more about Excel BI, support, 720-204-1891, sales, 720-324-7724.